Creating a task. Let's create a first task for your students to do. Press the plus button to the right of the task. Enter the task name and press anywhere to open a full view of the task. Enter the description of the task. Use formatting options if you wish. You can also add different kinds of attachments. Set the due date for task when you want your students to finish the task. Press Publish when you are done. Immediately after you press the Publish button, the task appears on your students' lesson dashboard and students will be notified about the new task. After publishing the task, you see the list of your students at the bottom of your task. The eye symbol to the left shows whether a student looked at the task. To do is a student's status with this task. It means that the student didn't finish the task yet. On the right side, there is a chat symbol that leads you to the chat with the student regarding the task. eStudyFM is loaded with benefits. Discover it for yourself and join for free now.